The United States of America in 100 seconds. Hundreds of years ago, a vast land was home to native peoples living in harmony with nature. Then in 1492, Christopher Columbus arrived, and the story of the New World began. Over time, European settlers built 13 colonies along the East Coast. But the people weren't happy under British rule. They fought back, and in 1776, the American Revolution gave birth to a new nation, the United States of America. America started as a small dream, a land searching for freedom and opportunity. But in just 2 centuries, it grew into a global superpower. It created the world's first modern constitution. It led the Industrial Revolution. And after 2 world wars, it emerged stronger than ever. Today, America is famous for so many things. The skyscrapers of New York City, Hollywood, the heart of global entertainment, Silicon Valley, where tech giants are born, and a pop culture that reaches every corner of the world. But America is not just a story of success. It's also a story of struggle. Freedom versus justice, diversity versus equality. And that's why it's still called the Land of Dreams, where people from everywhere come to chase a better future.